Have you ever contemplated the sheer magnitude of the role the Internet of Things, or IoT, plays in our electrical systems? It's an expanse that is vast, complex, and incredibly fascinating. Picture a bustling city. In the heart of it, there's a power station humming with energy, supplying electricity to countless homes, businesses, and public spaces. Now imagine if this power station could communicate with the grid, adjust its output based on demand, and even predict maintenance needs. This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel, it's a reality made possible by IoT. Let's dive into the story of Midtown Power, a fictional power company, to illustrate the benefits of IoT in electrical systems. Midtown Power was struggling with outdated equipment, frequent power outages, and high maintenance costs. They decided to implement IoT across their operations. Midtown Power integrated IoT devices into their power station and across their grid. These devices started collecting data on energy production, consumption patterns, and equipment status. This data was then processed by sophisticated algorithms to provide actionable insights. The results? They were nothing short of remarkable. With real-time data, Midtown Power could now adjust their energy output based on the actual demand, reducing waste and saving costs. Predictive maintenance became a reality, as the IoT devices could detect anomalies in equipment performance, allowing for timely repairs before a total breakdown. But the benefits didn't stop there. IoT also enabled Midtown Power to seamlessly integrate renewable energy sources into their grid. Solar panels and wind turbines equipped with IoT devices could communicate their production levels, allowing for a more balanced and sustainable energy mix. This case study of Midtown Power is just one example of how IoT is revolutionizing electrical systems. From enhancing efficiency to enabling predictive maintenance, from reducing outages to integrating renewable energy, the potential of IoT in this field is immense and continually evolving. To summarize, IoT plays a pivotal role in modern electrical systems. It collects and processes vast amounts of data, providing valuable insights that can lead to more efficient operations, cost savings, and improved reliability. It also paves the way for a more sustainable future, facilitating the integration of renewable energy sources into the grid. So, the next time you switch on a light, remember that there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. Thanks to IoT, our electrical systems are smarter, more efficient, and more reliable than ever before. And this is just the beginning. As technology continues to advance, who knows what the future of electrical systems will look like? One thing is certain, IoT will be at the heart of it.